Wow, wow, wow! How was the Nove Food Pro Series 7 ranked as Battle Quality King 4? I'm planning to take the Yay to our lab to see how we test the Little King Kong.
Little King Kong, go, go, go!
Here I have a drop test machine that can simulate a fall from 4 meters and 180 centimeters in height. Moreover, the floor below can be changed. Right now, under this machine is granite. We have already simulated 1.2 meters, 100 tests on it, and it is still intact.
Okay. Granite is harder than the stone slabs at the sled time. Why 1.2 meters?
Because we found that most everyday drop scenarios occur at this height, this test can handle most everyday drop scenarios.
Cool. 我们可以试试最高的吗？
Yeah, 1.8 meters, 1.8.
Wow, okay.
Wow, that is incredible. Look at that. Absolutely fine.
Yeah.
钢球是用来做跌落冲击测试的。
Okay, this is a steel ball. Here we mainly conduct its drop impact test and have prepared a ceramic vessel.
Okay.
All right, release.
Wow!
All of this got smashed. Let's see what happens on the phone.
1 meter in height.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. All in one piece.
We also have a more extreme test, which is our large pendulum, equivalent to a free fall from a height of 2 meters. I took an ashtray to test it first.
No smoking.
No, no, no. This is for the force test.
Boom.
Let's invite Daye to test the performance of our phone.
Yeah, okay.
Wow! Did you hear that sound? I'm sure this thing can crush most things, but Little King Kong made it.
This kind of impact test can be done over 300 times, so you can rest assured to test it, Daye.
Little King Kong, amazing. It's hard to imagine it can survive hundreds of these tests.
Thank you. In addition, waterproof. 世界上啥？
我等不及了。
Hello?
Hello.
It's amazing. I am going to take it when I work at Amazon next time.
Little King Kong quality guaranteed.
Next, we will have Lord to take Little King Kong out of the lab into the real outdoor environment for a challenge. Let's look forward to Little King Kong's performance.
I can't wait!